Guys, we are here sa White Swan Lake Provincial Park. Ayan o. Ayan. And sa baba, yan yung Losier. How you gonna say it? So sorry. So Losier River Hot Spring. Ayan o, Hot Spring, British Columbia. Yan, natural na hot spring. Walang bayad, pero medyo nga lang, medyo malayo-layo ng konti from where we are. So yeah, yan yung Losier.
Hindi naman summer, pero ano, wala man lang ano, no? Ano? Ano, may harang man lang sila nilagay. Oh, Daddy, may kasalubong.
Time for me to get taller now.
The
blue shark fell, look.
Oh my god.
So I'm gonna scratch you.
Oh, may trailer, oh.
I'm gonna broke your mirror glasses.
Oh, dito, di. Dad.
Wow.
What a trip ito ba? Daddy, wag dito.
Dito, pwede naman dito.
Wow.
Ang pag-alog kasi niya eh. Kakasaka. Katakot.
That a good sure, Dad?
Yeah.
Is this sure we're gonna go to up the mountain and jump?
No, we're gonna jump na.
It's raining, it's pouring. He only got $1 and paid for 100. He asked for a job and he got it. He put it and then he forgot. It's not.
Oh my God, doon sa gilid.
Ayan mga kapamilyang gala, even though it was raining all day, still you can see the majestic and breathtaking sceneries going to Losier Hot Springs.
We're here na. 1 minute. Oh my gosh.
The road is a little bit rough from the highway, around 20 kilometers. But the beautiful, breathtaking mountain views and the nerve-wracking cliffs supersedes the ride. guys. Hi, Ate Lai. We are going to what? How you gonna say it? Loser. Poy said loser. 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 Oh, careful. Careful.
Say loser.
Lucier.
Loser.
Yes.
That's loser.
Yan. Yan guys. Ganda dito guys. Ayan, may mga naliligo oh. Kasi hindi ito siguro malamig lang na malamig galing sa bundok. Yan dyan. Yan yung hot spring. Huh? Hey. Wait. Ayan nga, may mga naliligo. Huh? You can smell the sulfur. Oh, those ones. Yeah. Those are the spots.
Come over here then.
Hello, Ranjan.
Hello.
Lindsay. So the water comes out from here. Oh, it's hotter. This is the hot spring, naturally come out from there. There. See. Natural hot water. Natural.
Nag-short ka Ate Lelay?
Hi, Abby. Ayan. So, hello guys. Are you guys done? We're done. Tugnaw na si Lindsay.
I'm just cooling off since I was so hot.
Oh. Huh? I don't know.
Right here.
So it's cold in there, Ranjan, or it's warm?
No. That's my feet. Lucky you. I didn't even have to swim.
You done, Koy?
Google.
Hi, Lemon.
Hello. Huh?
Are you done?
Yeah, look how red I am.
Look at the body. Look at that body, right? Look at the body. Wow. Look at the muscles.
Boy. You didn't give me your glasses.
Oh, okay, let's go. Okay, baby, let's go, baby. Okay, that was it, guys. Do you know where's the gum station? A lot of gum. What? Oh, another gum station. Oh, more chewing gum.